Hi everyone. Today I will show you Blackbox team. They have enhanced some premium features or how we can utilize in ChatGPT in the Blackbox and Gemini AI, Cloud AI, Sonnet 3.5 and OpenAI 1. These all the features are premium. But till we utilize them, there is a timeline. We can use these particular features in our particular chatbot, particular website and chart Blackbox.ai. We'll show you how we can utilize this particular uh, features on the Blackbox AI. I will show you on this. Let's go to this one. Here, this is the process. I just try to how we can utilize get the information. Like here, we can try to if you want to use this model ChatGPT 4o and ChatGPT Pro and uh, Claudia. And these all the some different agents are there. You can utilize these agents as well. As of now, I can use this all the features of the premium. We can use whatever you want. We can get the information from the ChatGPT. I can try to make. I can use. We can observe how I have to write some simple script for the Python. How it will be giving the uh, output we can get. Okay, we can not in a Python script, whatever we want, we can easily generate and get the output as well. As per the section, uh, uh, just I have to write a Python to print a particular uh, date and time. This is the particular statement how we can use for this Python statement. We can try to uh, run and it will be work out. And same way we can try to another ChatGPT model. Uh, just this same statement I have to copy. I need to write. I need to verify how it will work. Just I have to use for the Pro. Yeah, here given 16 lines. Here they are providing 36 lines. It will be explanation is very important way. Just here explanation and get the current data and we'll get how we can run. I can show you how we can run if the output. Uh, if you want to run this particular Python script, Python. Just I have to use some tools. I can use the tools. I can write. Particular the script is working or not. I will show you how we can write. Just I'm taking this particular. So, this is code space for that. Just I'm using. I have to run the particular script. I want to use code spaces. It will not take more time. Can try to create one code space because of the I don't have a code space. That's the reason I'm just trying to write this script. Uh, and to write. Just I have to copy this particular Python script. The name uh, and time. Okay. I have to put the script. Want to run particular script? Is it working directly? Is the same? Let's have to check. This is the script. Python. Yeah, what exactly that here? Here, particular date and time, year and month and days and weeks and hours. Here, very clearly explanation. Just I have to try it another script as well. I will show you. Uh, which are the script. I just try to write it in the script in the different uh, GPT model. I am just trying to run the same script. I have to change this on the script and run it now. It's given very simple manner, but it's but suppose it is here what will be happening. Uh, ChatGPT giving very limitedly, but uh, uh, it is ChatGPT giving some accurate information, but Gemini Pro is giving more accurate information, like how output here we are getting like that. Uh, till that time, we can utilize this particular workspace for our regular day-to-day work, do automation tasks, and whatever it may be required, we can do our work and task easily. We can utilize this particular feature for useful for everyone. Just I'm trying to explaining on this particular video. Thank you for everyone.